of us don't sharpen our knives and tools correctly, if at all. To get blades sharp, it's all about the angle, and each blade has a different one. Solinga is an all-in-one sharpener with self-adjusting plates that can sharpen many different blades, and helps you sharpen at the proper angle. There are several different surfaces to let you work on a variety of tools, from kitchen knives to scissors, tweezers, garden shears, wire cutters, and more. It even works on serrated knives. Two of the surfaces have tungsten carbide plates that shift to accommodate each blade's specific angle. You hold the blade steady with the ergonomic handle and move the tool along its surface, not the other way around like you might be used to. There's also a sharpener that pops out. Hold it to sharpen smaller surfaces like cheese graters, nail clippers, can openers, and other small blades that often get neglected.
All the sharpeners nowadays are good for one kind of knife. They're very easy to use. You draw your knife in a fixed 20-degree angle. The problem is each of your knife at home requires a different sharpening angle. So what we do here, what we wanted to invent is a sharpener that would adapt to each kind of knife without damaging them.
Once your tools are in proper cutting shape, you'll enjoy how much better they do their jobs. You'll still want to have a professional sharpen certain things like kitchen knives now and then. But for at-home maintenance of many daily tools, Solinga keeps things sharper and functioning far better.
We're always on the lookout for companies that create inventive solutions to problems. And that's what Cook's Innovations has been doing since 1998. Creating unique kitchen gadgets to make everyday life easier. With a butter mill, simply place fresh butter inside, twist it, and the butter is pushed through the stainless steel grater and transformed into spreadable strands. With all the extra surface area, the cold butter softens almost instantly, making it easy to spread even right out of the fridge. No more tearing the bread with that cold pat of butter. When you're done, put the tight-fitting lid back on and store it in the fridge until the next time you need it. The butter mill is made of stainless steel and BPA-free plastic, and it's dishwasher safe. The Fridge Monkey is another cleverly designed kitchen item from Cook's Innovations. It's a flexible rubber mat designed to maximize storage space in the fridge by stacking bottles and cans. It lets you stack up to 10 beers or cans of soda without any of that annoying rolling in a space that would normally only fit 4 cans, which is perfect for my Diet Coke addiction. The Fridge Monkey even works for larger items like bottles of wine. These Cook's Innovations will save you effort, space, and frustration, so you can focus on enjoying everything from your butter to your beverages.